In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an original post, how to repost, and how to delete a post on the Threads app. So first I'll go ahead and show you how to make a repost. If you're on your home page right here, and you can see everyone's posts, let's say that you want to repost one of these, you would just select the little icon that looks like two arrows making a circle. And then from here, you would just go ahead and select repost down at the bottom. So now that has been posted. If I select this little icon in the bottom right hand corner, then I'll be able to see all of the posts that I have made. So if I refresh it, I can see it right here. Now let's say though that I don't actually want to have this reposted on my profile. Then what we're gonna do is select that same icon, but now it has a little check mark in it. We can go ahead and select it. And then we would just select remove. So now that will remove it from our profile. So now I'll show you how to make an original post and then how to delete it, which is a little bit different than a repost deletion. So we'll go down here, and this is where we can make a post. We can attach something if we would like to. I can hit this little paperclip and allow it to access my photos. And then before you make the post, what's nice is down here at the bottom, you can go ahead and select this, and you can select who can actually see this. So you can set it to just your followers, the profiles that you follow, or the people that you mention within it. All right, so that's something to keep in mind before you actually make the post. Go ahead and post this. So now it shows up. And to delete this post, what we would do is we would tap into it, and then we would select the three dots up top. And then down here it says delete, and now we can delete it. It'll ask us if we're sure. We'll go ahead and delete. So now we know how to repost, delete the repost, and then also how to delete our own posts. Hope this video helped you out. I'll see you on the next one.